We heard from the speakers today on a spectrum of topics. The coming omics data explosion, the roadmap for the world's biggest public health program, taking advantage of the ever more powerful smartphones, right, and the long-term cohorts to help with the NCDs, and then faster drug discovery from Dr. Alex, and then the population scale data sets, right, which is one of my favorite topics, right. As Mr. Sriniraju talked yesterday, I will put all these various AI solutions in two buckets, right? He talked about Bharat and India, right? On the Bharat side, right, the focus needs to be on the solutions for the primary health, right? Ayushman Bharat is doing a stellar job in providing health coverage who have never had it, right? As they are building a digital health backbone, right? All the solution, all the AI solutions that are getting developed can all be in sync with the national digital health framework, right? Since we don't have any legacy digital health infrastructure in this country, we have a real good opportunity to build a world-class population healthcare system, right? And then if you move to the India side, right, the issue is more on the lifestyle diseases that are, increasing day by day, right? The kind of AI solutions we need there are more in the realm of equipping the clinician with better insights from all this data, and also help with the prediction of disease onset, right? The CARS program that Dr. Venkat talked about targeting diabetes and CVD is a good example. I think we'll need more cohorts like that to put together the required data to help with the development of the prediction algorithms, right? So actually talking of cohorts and data, we'll really need good, clean data to develop any kind of AI solution, right? And this is where India is in a unique situation, right? There's no other country that can rival us on the combination of size, the diversity, and the open collaborative environment that we have, right? We really need to take advantage of that, and the panel dealt with some of the questions on how to go about that, right? Also, when we talk about AI in the context of healthcare, we do need to remember that it is very unlike the consumer sector, say, where you are using it for things like better search results or targeted ads, right? And those are all good things that made our lives better, but none of those things save lives, right? Since we're talking about population scale here, I relay my personal experience from visiting AIMS Delhi, right? Which there the OPD actually handles 10,000 patients per day, right? That 10,000 patients per day, you really don't understand until you actually go there and see how big of a volume it is, right? Unfortunately, some patients die just waiting to see the doctor. They're waiting for days, right? This is where if we can get the AI solutions working either in the primary healthcare domain or even helping the specialists, right? We're going to actually literally save lives, right? I mean, doctors do this on a daily basis, but as an engineer or an AI developer, you can't make a better impact on the society, right? Now, talking of saving lives, let me move on to the topic for tomorrow: smart mobility. Right? Again, here, unlike the West, where the emphasis is on autonomous vehicles, the focus for us in India is on advanced driver assistance that will improve safety and reduce accidents considerably. You see, the majority of the agenda items tomorrow are aligned to this topic. We have a very packed session. Right? So, one particular thing I want to mention is IDD, which is the Indian driving data set that Professor Jahar will talk about. Right? So Intel has been working with IIITH on this for the past 3 years, and this is the only driving data set in the world of its kind for unstructured data conditions. Right? So you can read about IDD and the other healthcare projects at inai.ai that we launched yesterday. I think we're almost at 9, so I won't keep you long. So I'll wrap it up. Thanks to everybody for dialing in, and we'll see you tomorrow. We have a really good list of speakers, right? It's going to be a very packed agenda. So see you all tomorrow. Good night.